Welcome to another episode of Math Made Simple. I'm Miss Munah and I'm a math specialist here at the Pi Lab. In this video, I'll be analysing some common examination questions. I've put the question in a handout and you may download a copy for free by clicking on the description box below. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a word problem involving significant figures. Let's read the question. The number of people in a stadium is 48,000 when rounded to two significant figures. The question wants us to find the largest and smallest possible number of people at the stadium. So if you look at the information, we have 48,000. And is this the exact number of people at the stadium? The answer is no, because the question already tells you that this number was rounded to 2SF. Now, instead of guessing, the correct way to approach this question is to draw a number line. Okay, but before we can even draw a number line, a lot of students, when they look at this information, two significant figures, they get stuck. They will tell me, teacher, I really don't know what to do. Teacher, if you give me thousands, rounded off to the nearest thousands, I know what to do. But 2SF, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm going to show you the secret to unlocking such questions. So first of all, write down 48,000 and ask yourself, since we're going to be rounding off to 2SF, right? Where is the second significant figure in this number? So where is it? First digit is 4. This is the first significant figure. Second digit is 8, and this is my second significant figure. Now that we have identified the second significant figure, we're going to ask ourselves, what is the place value of the digit 8? So what is the place value? It is thousands. Now this is the key to unlocking this question. We have to know that the second significant figure is in the thousands place before we can even do anything. For this number, we are rounding off to the nearest thousand. Okay, they are exactly the same, just for this figure. So draw a number line, write 48,000 in the middle, and then add 1,000 to get the number on the right, which is 49,000, and subtract 1,000 to get the number on the left, which is 47,000. After that, find the numbers in the middle. So the first middle number, you should get 47,500. The second middle number is 48,500. And then you have to check. So in order to find the smallest possible number, is it really 47,500? So you write down this number, 47,500. And the question says, when this number is rounded off to 2SF. Okay, don't forget 2SF. So in order to round off to 2SF, I need to look at my third SF. In this case, it's the digit 5, which will cause the number to round up. So in this case, I will end up with 48,000, which is correct. I want 48,000, right? So the next question we have to ask ourselves is, can the number get smaller? Meaning, can it go down to 47,499? Okay, let's check. 47,499, when rounded off to 2SF, does it give me 48,000 or not? So let's check. So the third SF is 4. This will cause the number to round down. So I will end up with 47,000, which is not what I want. So definitely the smallest value would be my 47,500. So let's write that down. Smallest value is 47,500. So we've already obtained one of the answers. Now we have to look at the largest possible value. So is it true that the largest possible value is 48,500? Okay, let's check. 48,500, when rounded off to 2SF, what does it give me? Look at the third SF, which is the digit 5. This will cause the number to round up. So you end up with 49,000. Is that what you want? No. We want 48,000. So definitely, this is not the largest possible value. So should I go bigger or should I go smaller? Now, a lot of people, they are not convinced. So if you fall into the category where you're not convinced, okay, let's just try. There's no harm. Go one number bigger, 48,501, and ask yourself, does this number give me 48,000 when rounded off to 2SF? Okay, let's check. 48501. The third SF is 5, causes the number to round up. You get 49,000, which is not what you want, because what we want is 48,000. So definitely you cannot go bigger. Therefore, you should go smaller. One number smaller, which is 48,499. So let's see, 48499 is the answer, which is the largest possible value. Okay, let's check. You're going to round it off to 2 SF. So look at the third SF, which is the digit 4. This causes the number to round down. So we end up with 48,000, which is exactly what we want. So therefore, the largest value would be 48,499. And that's it, just by drawing a number line. And remember, the key to unlocking this question is to decipher how many significant figures. So in this case, 2 means the digit 8, which is in the thousands place. Okay, always remember, identify the place value of the second significant figure and then draw a number line. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up. If you would like to check out more videos by us, please click on the links on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!